Friends, welcome to lesson 3 or lesson 4, is it? Lesson 4, Introduction to Linux. And today we're gonna study text editors. So, so here's text editors, and there's mainly 4 of them, or actually probably more. But this is the most general ones, and the ones you can find in. Easy, you should be able to find without installing them. So the first is basic editors, Nano and gedit. So to open a text editor, all you need to do is just type Nano, and you can type a name of the file or just simply Nano. And here it is, a simple text editor. Here you can type whatever you want. Create a text file or create a script you want to run, and so it opens up straight from the terminal, and this is the how it runs. Pretty simple. There's no need to be extra things to be added there. Just follow this command to save it. Like for example, from the exit, you just type Control X for exit, and then whether you want to save it or not, type N for no and yes for saving the file, whatever you want. So so that's how you open a Nano. This is pretty simple to use. You can type Nano, and you can type text file name of the file, like for example text.txt or script or something, or some script you're running, etc. So now the next text editor is gedit. Gedit is also a simple one, but it's not. It's more sort of what's called interactive. Just type gedit, and I don't know why it's saying that. That didn't like it. For some reason it cannot open it. Alright, I'll just pause for a second. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, there was a problem with my this user took to access some files. So in order to for us to open gedit, I need to type in sudo. I think we covered it in the first lesson, or if we didn't, we will cover this in the future. So a sudo command just gives an extra access for commands that needs to be accessed by root. So it gives you root privileges. I mean, it gives you it gives the access to command that needs to be executed from root, or if if you don't have access to this command. So in order to open our gedit, we need to type in sudo gedit, and there you go. So it's you can see it's an interactive program. It's part of the Ubuntu system, so it's already, you don't need to install it, and you can type here anything you like, create your own files, etc. Don't worry about all this. So then you can save it and you can close it, and as you can see, close without saving. This is it's really basic as well. So yeah, so you can just run it and on your window, so not through terminal. So as you can see, Nano, the difference between Nano and gedit, the simple editors, but Nano is ran through the console, and the gedit is ran through the system windows, through the interactive environment. Now the same thing applies to the next 2 editors. Vi is a more powerful editor. It's called, you just need to type Vi. Hopefully it will open up. Yes, it will. And this is a more sort of a powerful editor, where you can use certain commands to change the delete lines, and there's a lot more to learn about it than just simple use for it. I like to use simple editors because I don't need to run complicated big files, and I don't need to run big scripts either. So the simple Nano gedit editor I use all the time. Gedit to type in text mainly, and Nano is sometimes text or sometimes scripts. So yeah, here you can see some of the some stuff, and like to exit it. So once you enter, you know how to use it. You need to put Control Q. I think it's been a while since I used it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Here you need to exit it. You need to type colon Q, colon, and then Q, and then press enter. And if you want to find help, you need to type again some more complicated editor. Just type help, and they should give you a bunch of stuff on commands how to use it. KHJ is the keys to run up and down, around left and right, the cursor, and yeah. So this is a help file, and there's a lot more to read about it. You can do all that yourself. I'm not going to explain all that. There's a lot of stuff here. So just type in colon and type in Q and then enter. That will exit. Colon Q enter. That will exit the VI editor. If you want to learn more about VI editor, you can use this command here, Vim Tutor. So you can either run VI or Vim. It's the same for the editor, but this time we just type in Vim Tutor and press enter, and here you can learn more about this editor, what it does, and etc., and all the keys, how to move your cursor up and left, and there's more details here. And this is good stuff, how to save files, how to save after you create it. It's a really complicated, really powerful. It's complicated, but it's a powerful tool once you learn it. But I don't use it that much because it's just too complicated. Don't like complicated stuff, but yeah, it's been used for a long time in programming, and some researchers use it and to write up their programs. So yeah, you can do that. And Q again. No, it doesn't. Okay. Okay, so just colon, type in colon Q and exit. And the last editor we're gonna cover called Emacs, which I use it all the time. It's also a powerful editor, but it's interactive and it's easy to use. Oh, why did this come up? Strange. Okay. Okay, why did this come up? Just give me a second. Bugger. Okay, here you go. Emacs. Emacs. It should be interactive. Not sure why. Apparently, it comes up from the in the terminal as well, but I use it interactively. The window should come up. Yeah, that's it. That's what I was looking for. So here we have because again I need to run it as a sudo, because it's not accessed, cannot be accessed from this account, but needs to be a root or admin privileges. So here this you can create a new file and type whatever you want in it, and here you can read more about what it does and stuff. And yeah, it's not really complicated, but it's yeah, it's a powerful editor and also can be used interactively. So the difference between Vi and this one is, again, this is you can use it more interactively, and Vi you can use it through the console. So that's it. That's all about the text editors. Yeah, so we're not gonna cover scripts in this introduction to Linux course, but we will. Yeah, but you have to learn to use editors on your own. Just I use usually Nano and gedit, really simple ones. Okay, so thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time at the next lesson. It doesn't want to exit. Okay, thank you. Bye.